My name is Vlad, so I'm from Ukraine. I'm born in Kharkiv. I'm 22 and I study architecture since 17 years old, and I'm highly enjoying it so far, and I think I will definitely go by this direction in my life. In this special way, she is like a mother to me. At least she likes to think in this way, that she is a mother. But she definitely have the knowledge and the wise way of understanding how we communicate. So I enjoy this about Andjela. And of course, she always brings some random fun out of nowhere. This is the kind of person who you never know when she will shoot the best joke of all times. So yeah, I guess that's one of the good parts about our friendship. So that the fun starts when we start drinking, and then Andjela opens up and just tries to tell her crazy story, and I would tell the crazy stories. And then in the end, we all have something that we rather not share with other people. Going through exam period. Altogether, this is one thing going just alone through exam period, but going together, and this is a whole different story. Yeah, I can make myself work like crazy person straight many hours. So maybe for some people it is superpower, I believe. If I could, well, attitude of people, that probably should be changed because it's too much in the past, and they need to look forward more towards the future and be more open to new experiences and new knowledges. So I think that would be one big step, one step, but it will be big enough for next changes to take. Well, I'm proud of my parents for sure, because they gave me so much knowledge, which is so huge, and I'm able to use it nowadays, and I'm able to bring myself to the places where I'm, through their knowledge, achieve so many things by myself. That's a good question. Never saw it coming. That's an orange. You know, sometimes you get very sweet, nice oranges. Sometimes they're bitter as hell. Well, so it's me, but mostly I'm kind of sweet orange. I'm trying to be positive towards other people. Oh, highly important. Even though I cannot say I'm a very extroverted person, more of an introverted part, but though I have less amount of friends, but I have those which are literally soulmates to me, and I'm pretty sure they would never give me up in any situation. So I always can count on it. It's easy to become friends with the it's easy to become friends, but it's hard to find them, I would say. Okay, I'm sending you to the friend from my hometown. His name is Sasha, and the city is called Kharkiv. You never know what he will bring up next, but even though as I described him as somewhat unstable, I can always count on him. So that just comes that we became friends through many events we had, because he's sort of my childhood friend. Well, definitely that he's a very good listener. So whenever we would go through some hard conversations about philosophy or whatnot, he would always listen very well, and then he would always answer what he thinks about it. So that's the quality I really appreciate in him, because he always really attentive to what you're saying and not interrupting you, and always still able to deliver his thought. Sometimes he would probably promise one thing but do a different one, but I'm not angry on him because I know his character, and I know that it's not he would never do this if it would be really important. If it's something like small thing that happens, but if it's something I really that it's really important for me, he would never do it. He would always like come on time, or he would understand the importance of such issue. I believe it's us singing on the stage in the school, because that's how we got involved, or both of us together. So for a remark, I don't sing well, and just you don't want to hear that. That just happened, that we were dragged into it. Just do the thing you believe will bring you to the place where you want to be.